Two. Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to handle the null values. So first, we're going to start with how to find these null values. And null values basically mean blank values, so they're empty values, right? So we have this CSV file called data, and from that CSV file, we're going to take it, right? And we're gonna read that CSV file, and from there we have to find a null value. And we're also gonna like take away those null values. So drop them. There's a function called drop to delete those null values. So first we import pandas as PDB because pandas is the only way you can read a CSV. So df.pd.read CSV data.csv. So when we print it, it's gonna print this. So it's printing, see? It's printing the null values right here. Nan means none, which are the null values, basically. So what we're trying to do here is find the null values now. We already know what the null values are, but we need to just like print them. So here we're gonna do print df dot is null. That's how you find the null values. Well, if you want to also like count how many null values are there, you do dot sum. So it's going to show you how many null values are there. Okay? So what the 0 and 1 and the 2 means is like the duplicates. So name, if we here, let's print this again. There's our this way better to understand. Where is it? Should be on top. Yes. There's this. Yes. Name. So name, I mean these aren't the duplicates, my bad. These are how the null values. So name has no null values. That's why it's printing 0. Where is it? Yeah, here. Age has 1. Where is it? Yes, age has 1. See? Null value. That's 1. And then where? City has none, 2. See? But marks has 2. So as our salary, that's why. My bad. It's not duplicates. Shows how much like null values are there. So in age there's 1, city there's none, so as name. Now, this is how you find the null values. Okay? But how do you delete those null values? Okay? So here, we're gonna do this. Let's do df equals to df dot drop df dot is null comma axis equals to 1. So axis equals to 1 is the columns. So that's what axis equals to 1 means. It means the columns. Print df. Oh, should work. Okay, yes. Work. So we here it is. So these are the null values, and we just dropped them, basically. Okay? So now we drop them. But instead of dropping the null values, right? How about replacing them? So that's what we're going to be doing in the next video. So thank everyone for listening to my video. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye. I hope you like it and bye. I hope you like it and bye.